Welcome to What Gear Reviews. Consider subscribing if you like tech reviews and loads of other tech related stuff. Today I'm looking at this, the brand new Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2, and this has some significant changes from the previous Samsung watch. One of them being now you have a digital bezel, not a physical bezel, so you can still slide your finger around to switch between all of the different apps on the watch itself. Also, because of the lack of the bezel now, you actually have more screen, which is also awesome. And there's a few different variants here, but this one's the larger one. It lasts up to 36 hours if you're using it sort of actively. On standby, it's going to last longer. It takes about 90 minutes to charge, and that's the same on the smaller variant as well. You've got these sort of flexible, sporty straps on them now as well, because it is the active watch. Also, the watch supports LTE, which means you can take this on a run with you or wherever you want without your smartphone and still be able to access the internet and use your music and stuff like this. So that's really cool as well. So this has been my quick look at the new Samsung Active Watch 2. If you want to see more videos on this, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to check out more videos from the ether, there's thumbnails on screen right now. Go check those out. And if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.